how to change your birthday on Instagram? Here's a step-by-step guide. To begin with, open the Instagram app on your phone. After that, head to the bottom right corner and click on your profile picture. Now shift your attention to the top right corner and click on the three horizontal lines. Just tap on Account Center at the top. Inside the Account Center, select Personal Details. At this stage, you will see your personal information. Just select Birthday. Then click on the Edit button beside your birthday. Now simply use the scrolling wheel to set the correct date of birth. Once you are done, hit the Set button. Lastly, hit the Save button to confirm your change. A confirmation message will appear. Again, hit Confirm. Finally, your birthday will be updated on Instagram. And just like that, you now know how to change your birthday on Instagram.